Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday to you. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. It is Monday. It is the last Monday in April. We are heading into May, so we are heading into warmer weather this week. Super excited about that. I am so excited about the warmth. I hope you are too. Get out there, get some exercise, get some walks, go for a run. And keep moving, get some sunshine, get some vitamin D, and get outside. So thanks everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. Hello, Catherine. Hello, Joel. Hello, Brenda. Thanks everybody for joining me. Hello, Ralph. I got a couple of messages the other day from people. They missed me, so I am back. I think I even did a Facebook Live on Saturday, talked about our slushy machine. We're doing frozen daiquiri right now. And you can flavor that. We can do peach, we can do hibiscus, we can do cherry, we can do, what else? Strawberry. We have lots of options for you. So the frozen daiquiri is ready to go. As it gets warmer this week, I think we're gonna sell a lot. We sold a lot this past weekend. It was beautiful. Our garden was beautiful. It was busy. So thank you everybody for coming out. Thank you so much for your support. We appreciate it. Let's see. Marcus and I will be in the, I was gonna say the Finger Lakes, but we are going to be down in Long Island for the next 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, going to wineries and distilleries down there, people that we buy from, new relationships that we're gonna be building, and we are super excited about that. We are going to be live. I'm sure we'll be live a few times while we're down there. We'll be talking about one of the trips that we want to do in the fall. We want to take you down to Long Island. So if you are ready to travel with VIP winery vacations, stay tuned. That trip will be coming soon, and I'm sure that you'll hear lots of details on our trip and new wines that we'll be bringing back. So we're excited about that. I need a little vacay away, so I'm excited. And let's see. So it's Monday. It is our new $9.99 special this week. It is shrimp scampi with brown rice and broccoli to go. That is our special for this week. Don't forget we're closed Tuesday and Wednesday. And our $34.99 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine. This is the last week for that as well. It ends at the end of the month. So get in on that. 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine for $34.99. You can't beat it. So those are our awesome specials. Don't forget we have wine, we have spirits. We're bringing all cool, new, interesting things in constantly. So come in, check it out. Our garden will be open as long as it's warm out and it's not rainy. I know it will probably be open Thursday night. I know it's supposed to be a little rainy, but warmer. It'll be open this next weekend. So stay tuned for that. And that's it. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I always love to see who is watching and following me. So I appreciate it. I had my first big fan come in the other day and tell me, oh my gosh, I'm one of your fans. I watch you all the time, and introduce herself to me. So thank you. I've been doing these for over a year now, a year and a month. And I don't know what episode I'm on, but I'm in the 200s somewhere, probably 210, 212, something like that. So today I am going to be making, I don't even remember what I called it, a Carolina something.
Carolina Black?
Carolina Black. So I am going to take this awesome Carolina cream. This is a rum cream with bourbon whiskey. And I'm going to be taking this coffee, this Mr. Black cold brew coffee. And I'm going to be making a coffee drink today. So I already have ice in my shaker. I am going to add, since this is a strong drink because it has all alcohol and it's more of a dessert drink, I am going to add about 1.5 ounces of each into my shaker. Super simple. If you don't have like a cold brew coffee liqueur, you can add, you can just use regular coffee. You can use espresso. I just thought this would be cool. This is an Australian product, so produced in Australia, called Mr. Black cold brew coffee. I'm sure there's some stuff like this local as well. I'm gonna get my shaker I'm gonna shake that up, get it nice and cold. I'm gonna put rocks in my glass. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. You know, we're here, we're rocking, we're rolling. Tonight's our wine dinner. I did have 2 people cancel. If anybody is interested in coming this evening, I do have 2 spots still available, but pretty much sold out. Takeout is available as well, so don't forget, give us a call. You can take out, you can dine in. I don't have many tables available tonight, so please make sure you call ahead, 647-3000, make your reservation. Our special this week is shrimp scampi with rice and broccoli for $9.99 to go. And this is till the end of the month, $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. We have 4 or 5 awesome wines that you can choose from. And that is it. Cheers to my Carolina Black. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, actually tastes like Bailey's. It tastes like, not Bailey's, but like a coffee. This is delicious. I know Courtney's gonna wanna taste this one. So cheers to you. Cheers everybody. Get out there, get some fresh air. Thank you for watching me. Hello Hillary, hello Cheryl, hello Catherine. Hello, Mary. Hello, Holly. Wahoo for Carolina. This is awesome. Carolina Black, I called it. It is 6 and 20 Carolina cream and this coffee liqueur, Mr. Black. So cheers. Have an awesome day and catch us in Long Island Tuesday and Wednesday at wineries and distilleries. I'm sure we'll be doing some lives from there. If you're watching me live, give me a hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me thumbs up so I know you're here. I appreciate everybody watching me. And Marcus and I are really thankful for all of you. Nice meeting you Saturday night. Thanks, Florence. It was very nice to meet you Saturday night as well. And I appreciate you watching me every day. Pass this on. Tomorrow or Wednesday, we're going to decide the winner of the caption, the balloon. Marcus and I took a fun picture and we're looking for an awesome caption. So go on our Facebook, find that picture and leave us a caption. And that is it. Hope everyone has a great night and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.